Well, that was a set that Ateneo wished for, the way it started and ended. 25-13. And more so also because National University, it's not just that Ateneo played well, but Ateneo played good enough in that first set. But National University, to quote my partner here, said, looked disorganized in that first set.
They were clearly disorganized. I mean, it was evident even in the rotation. You know, that call that our officials made on rotation. Apart from that, they were having difficulties defending the ball and getting a good pass to their setter. So, talagang it was a struggle in the first set.
They awarded them 2 straight points, actually, because of that rotation problem. And it's also probably because Sante is not there. You know, I think you mentioned this as we look at the numbers here between Ateneo and National University, and you can chew on that for a while as you see the 4 service aces of Ateneo. But you mentioned it kanina. Pag may nawala na isang player sa first 6 mo, even if you've practiced and prepared for a situation like that, it becomes a little different.
It is a bit different, and it's something that we see now in NU. I mean, Sante is now not on the floor with them right now. Mas gamay niya, mas sanay siya dun sa movement inside the court. And that could be a factor, actually.
So they're a little lost. And the rotation is lost. While Ateneo, things are normal with them. As Beatan goes back to the bench. And we see Kainglet, Takachi, Ferrer, Valdez, Ho, and Hervasio again.
First serve goes to Ateneo's number 7.
Constantly looking at their coach right now. And without Sante on the floor, Salibad, Daganon, Pablo. Nepomuceno has another service error. Ano mo? Nakakarami rin Ateneo dito. Pinamimigay na puntos.
Well, let's see also here in the second set if we'll get to see more from Kai Nepomuceno, was really silent in the first set.
Ferrer, back set, combination play.
With a running shot.
2 fakers there for Ateneo. Nice play. Coming from a team that has, I think, is one of 2 universities who have not experienced a championship yet in women's volleyball. I'm talking about them and Adamson University. NU has tasted that way back in 1954 and 1957. Talk about Ateneo some more. Jazz Reyes now on the floor. Jazz?
Right now, you know, I'm pretty sure the girls and the coaching staff are extremely happy to be back, especially coming from that first set. But Coach Roger reminded the girls that they can't relax, that this is only the first set and anything can happen. They cannot put their energy or defense down anytime soon. As he reminded them that there may mga chance ball na nasayangan. Back up defense with offense. Taking advantage of every opportunity and a consistency in their performance will keep the Lady Eagles playing a smooth game. Moving on.
Thank you very much, Jazz. We're tied at 2-all. Ateneo with a 1-set lead. Z Hervasio, Tubong Batangas, continues to go.
That was a bad throw, actually, for Z, but she pulled it off.
Wrong timing there, pero that gave them the point still. Mukhang mataas din masyado yung set ni Jeff Ferrer para kay Gretchen Ho. A fingertip. Nahabol. Ayun, no?
It's a bit high.
Nataas, no? So Z back. Serving for Ateneo. Salibad. Really nice set there. For Dada.
Set in the middle.
You're tied up 3. NU's team captain.
So Kai Nepomuceno. Siyempre, it's also kind of new to her. We have to give, you know, a little leeway for her. She is taking over this team from Beck Mangi. For the very first time, really, she is at the spotlight for National U. And speaking of that school, let's go to Stephanie C.
Ilabas natin ang lahat, said Coach Francis, clearly emphasizing that he needs the girls to really do their best and to give their all. He told them that they shouldn't be winning or losing, but they should worry on what's happening inside the game. Sabi nga niya sa kanila, bantayan mo yung kalaban kasi may mga butas ang lahat. So it's all about keeping focus, executing movement, and making good decisions by using their heads in the game and not just using their hearts. Like he said, parang pag-aaral lang naman yan eh. kayo kapag papasok kayong hindi nag-iisip. Shumanan?
I see his point. Thank you, Stephanie. Yun yung sinasabi mo top of the coverage natin, yung pressure. Pressure of losing again, losing. Parang pinangungunahan mo na yung sitwasyon instead of staying from point to point, ano? Play to play.
And it's something that you can actually see in their movement. Pigil, unsure.
Oh, the crowd appreciating that piece of action, but Tatang putting it away.
They should be going more to the middle because they are getting the points from there.
Alam mo, atleta ka, and before you know the feeling of sometimes it lingers in your head, no, paano kaya kung matalo pa kami nito? Yung mga ganon na
Oo.
senaryo, iisipin mo yun eh. Pag natalo tayo nito, pangatlong sunod na to. Diba? May mga
Oo.
ganong
Of course.
usap-usapan kayong mga teammate. At pag nangibabaw talaga yun, and you bring that to the game, it's going to reflect on how you're going to play. Sabi mo nga, may hesitation, may takot.
And that's why it's always the case when coaches would give a pep talk to the team. Ang sasabihin niyan palagi, put that loss aside. And what you have to do is really come back. It should be like a new day, diba? Kalimutan mo na natin. All you have to do is play your game.
Saliba doing well, distributing this time to Aganon, and another quick play right there. And mga quick yung pumapatay dito sa Ateneo ngayon. So they're staying with them this time. 5 serving 6.
Good
Oh.
serve.
You know, Lazaro this year has been a little shaky. She was one of the better ones, if not the best last year in terms of libero. This year she's had a few problems, more than what we're used to.
Compared to how she has performed
Last year.
That's right.
Last year she was very steady. Oh, inautakan. Umabot pa dun sa may sulok ng bola.
And I just told you, itong si Ferrer matayan sa likod ng ulo niya.
Oo nga eh. Do you believe the statement that this is her team, though? She controls this team even as a setter?
I've always believed that setters control their team. They lead, they drive, and if your setter, kung mautak, madiskarte,
Yes.
she can carry the team kahit hindi ganun kalakas yung mga attacker mo. If you know when and when not to give it to them, I think it plays a very big factor.
Nakachi, nabigyan ni Ferrer. Nepomuceno nagtoso, double contact yata yun. Tama. Error, giving a point to Ateneo. Closer set here, 8-7 is the score. Back in a moment.